There's no need to get vaccinated if we have had an experience of COVID-19 infection and that we have been vaccinated so far, at least 2 doses. So it's pretty clear that there's a good protection with that.
Quebec Public Health Director Dr. Luc Boileau saying the COVID situation is steadily improving and they're adjusting the game plan slightly.
During the last few months, we were exposed to a few viruses that were causing a lot of trouble, and namely the respiratory syncytial virus for the kids, also the influenza and the COVID. The situation has been improved greatly in the past few weeks, and in fact, there are much less cases of RSV in our hospital, and that's great for the pediatric hospital.
Most importantly, public health now only recommending a booster shot every 6 months for people who have never been infected and for the immunocompromised, even if they had COVID previously.
We still recommend for people that are living in long-term care services or residencies like RPA, and people over 60 or people with chronic disease and pregnant woman worker in the healthcare domain and people living in isolated area to benefit from a booster if they have not had the infection so far.
The new vaccination strategy has to do with the concept of hybrid immunity.
Hybrid immunity is basically having been vaccinated with at least 2 doses and having caught COVID. What that does, it gives you a protection that is more solid over time.
The change in strategy coming as public health data shows that a majority of Quebecers have caught COVID by now. The data suggests about 3/4 of Quebecers under 60 and half of Quebecers over 60 have been infected with COVID-19 at this point. On Thursday, the province still with 146 active outbreaks and just over 2,200 health workers absent from the system due to the virus. 1,439 people being treated in hospital, down by 37 patients.
If you have an infection, just consider that you are contagious. If you are sick enough to stay at home, stay at home. If you wish to go out for essential matters, then you can go out, but wear a mask.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.
Next on